Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. Today I will show, how can we change Google Chrome theme, color and background photos very easily. At first, click on Chrome Web Store. Now, click on Theme. We can see all theme here. We select any theme for your Chrome browser from here. Select anyone, and click Add to Chrome. You can see your theme already changed. Now, we will try for change theme color and background photos, so let's start. Click on Customize this page. Now select Color and Theme. From here, you can choose your different color. Click on Done. For changing background image, again click on Customized option. You can see many background image here. You can select anyone from those. But if you want to upload your own image, then click Upload from device, select your image, and save. Background change successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.